Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Ajay Sharma Lo. Today's video I'm going to discuss rights of adoptive parents to the dispose of their property, section 13 of Hindu Adoption and the Maintenance Act 1956. Section 13 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 deals with the right of adoptive parents to the dispose of their properties. So let's read out to the direct firstly. The right of adoptive parents to dispose of their properties subject to any agreement to the contrary, and adoption does not deprive the adoptive father or mother of the power to dispose of his or her property by transfer, inter vivos meaning leaving, or by will. So basically section 13 says even after the adoption, adoptive parents have the full right over their property. This means if a father or mother adopt a child, it does not take away their power to use, sell, give or give away to the property either during the lifetime, called transfer inter vivos, or after death through a will. For example, Mr. Sharma adopt a child, still he can sell his house, gift his land or make a will in favor of anyone he likes. Basically adoption does not stop this right. Mr. Sharma can sell his house, gift his land or make a will in favor of anyone, whatever he wants. But the important point is that the only exception is if there is an agreement or contract that says otherwise, then that agreement will apply. So adoption does not take away the adoptive parents' freedom to dispose of their property. So that's all about the section 13 of this act. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, bye bye guys. See you in the next video.